Hello again, guys. Welcome back to my channel, and hello again from my car. Today I am on the hunt for carry-on luggage. If you watched my video last year when we went on the MSC Divina, we flew into Rome, Italy, and we took it was the first time we'd gone carry-on only, and we took a backpack. Well, this year I'm having a little issue with my back. I have like a pinched nerve in the base of my spine, so the backpack isn't going to work for me this year. And the carry-on piece we've been using is a black, very nondescript Calpac carry-on suitcase. And if there's anything I've learned about travel, it's that avoid a black suitcase at all costs. I'm afraid we have to fly from Charlotte to JFK and then JFK to Frankfurt this time. So I'm afraid that on the Charlotte to JFK flight, those flights are notoriously overbooked, that I'm gonna have to probably check my luggage through to Frankfurt. So if that happens, I don't want a black piece of luggage. So I am on the hunt for a new piece. I'm gonna start with the places that I usually go. So like TJ Maxx and Marshalls and Ross if I have time. Probably Target because I already have to go there anyway to make a return, and then Walmart if I have time. So, but first I'm gonna start with Stein Mart. You'd be surprised, they have some really cute stuff sometimes, and it's usually stuff that you don't see at TJ Maxx and Marshalls, because sometimes when you go to Ross, it's a lot of the same things, but I seem to find different things at Stein Mart. So I'm gonna try Stein Mart first. I won't have time to go to Tuesday morning because it's in a different part of town. So if you watched my video from when we went on Frontier Airlines in August for my birthday to Las Vegas, that piece of luggage I bought it Tuesday morning. So I'll link that in the cards if you want to watch it. And so let's go into Stein Mart. This is the kind of stuff I'm talking about. This is like a roller bag, but it's also a backpack. I've never seen that at any other store. This travel on underseater is cute, but it's not big enough for what I need. I have seen this Isaac Mizrahi luggage. I've seen it in the soft-sided version at other places, and I love this pattern. It is so cute. This is exactly what I'm looking for, where both sides have zippers, but I feel like you lose a lot of, like in this area, you lose a lot of space. But there's no price tag on this, so I don't know. These would be super cute to carry, like your phone and your SeaPass card around the ship. $19.99. So cute. These are great to take your perfume and stuff. $9.99. I think they're cheaper at TJ Maxx. Okay, so I'm done in Stein Mart. That Isaac bag was cute, and it was pretty much exactly what I was looking for, except it was $59. And I've seen Isaac suitcases for as low as like $34 at Gabe's, so $59 seemed a little out of the realm of what it should be. So I passed on that. Target and Marshalls are in this same shopping center, so I will go to Target and do my returns and then check there and then go to Marshalls. So let's go. Okay, so the travel section at Target is a little picked over. I like this one. It kind of reminds me of away luggage. But no locking zippers, and this feels a little wobbly. It's from this Made by Design line if you're interested.
If you're looking for an underseater that fits Spirit and Frontier specifications, this one from American Tourister is very similar to the one I took to Vegas. This one's cute, but $80, that's gonna be a hard pass.
Okay, so I just left Target. It was a bust. I got my returns done, but that was about it. Now I'm at Marshall's. I think I'm gonna have to axe Ross. I don't think I'm gonna have time to go there before the traffic gets really bad. And I still have a couple of weeks if I don't find anything today. So I'm right outside Marshall's. I'm gonna go there now and hopefully they have something.
Pack is almost exactly what I'm looking for. Box, both compartments zipper, but I'm not super keen on this pattern.
All right, so I hit the travel jackpot at Marshall's. Generally the case. I look all over town for something that I need and I find it at TJ Maxx or Marshall's. So you'd think I would learn my lesson and start looking there first. I'm probably still gonna stop at Walmart just to see what they have. I keep seeing people talk about these iFly suitcases, so I'm just gonna go check those out. But I'm gonna go home. I will show you the suitcase and then I'll give you some tips and tricks about things I look for when I'm looking for a suitcase.
Okay, so here we are at the luggage section in Walmart. The pickings are kind of slim. I have heard good things about this one, but they don't have the rose gold in the carry-on size. They only have it in the black. And I mean, these wheels, while they're pretty, the way they're attached is concerning, especially over like cobblestone streets in Europe. So I was kind of looking for like American Tourister, but the only carry-on I see is that one. And it weighs 8 pounds, which seems heavy to me. Okay, so the hunt continues. If you are looking for a bigger piece of luggage, they have this iFly luggage in a few cute colors. Anything I can find to link, I'll link it in the description box below. All right, so this is the suitcase that I ended up picking up from Marshall's. It is like a rose gold color, and it is from the brand Kenneth Cole Reaction. It was, let's see, $49.99. So not a bad price. And I actually saw the same suitcase in a different color at Steinmart for $69.99. So I feel like I got a pretty good deal. Now, the thing I liked about this suitcase is once you get it open, you can see that this side has the pretty generic standard zipper enclosed side, but then this side has like this panel that comes across and holds everything in, snaps with compression straps so you can still compress everything down that's in there. But if I open this suitcase in a regular carry-on suitcase, generally the things that are on this side that are just have like the 1 or 2 little straps that are covering it, everything's gonna fall out if I don't pay attention when I'm opening it. So I like this better because I kind of wanted 2 sides that zipped closed, but then I felt like there was definite space that you were losing. You had this sort of middle section where nothing could be unless you just laid things in here. So I really like how this one is completely covered, but on the same note, you can still use up all of this space. So on this panel, they also have a zipper pocket that you can put things in. And then on this side, it has 2 of these open pockets and then another zipper pocket. And then there's also hold on, I'll open this up. There's also a pocket right here for like hiding stuff. Okay, so the things that I look for when I'm looking for a bag is I like to have a good lining. You know how sometimes you can open a bag and the lining just feels really cheap? I like to feel like a really thick inner lining. So I know that even on the inside, they've taken care with how it's manufactured. On the outside, I like to look at the wheels and how they're constructed and also how they're attached to the bag. I think I mentioned at Walmart, I think, that the wheels were only attached with this little skinny rod, and I just knew if I hit a cobblestone wrong, that's gonna break. So I decided on these wheels. It has 8 wheels. It has these bumpers on the side, so if I set it on the ground, these zippers aren't gonna be like mushed up against the ground or getting scratched or anything. Next, I like to look at the handle and pull it up and out and see how it feels, how it feels in my hand and how it rolls along the concrete in the store. That is something I definitely look for. And then I like to have a bag that has handles, like these kind of handles. Like it has a handle here, has a handle here, and it has a handle here to give you the most options for when you're putting it up in the overhead case. Because I mean, the more ways you get to hold on to it, the better, I think, because it gives you more ways to grip it. I don't think I was getting a good angle on the handle. So here it is from the top, and if you pull it up, the button feels good, feels pretty sturdy. It has multiple levels that you can pull it out, and it doesn't like jiggle around. It feels like a well-made handle. It does weigh a little more than I would like. It weighs about 8 pounds, but I'd rather have a heftier, well-made bag than something flimsy that's gonna fall apart. So other than that, I think it's a great bag option. I know that rose gold is kind of a hot color right now, so I bought these like vintage, hold on a second, I'll pull them out so you can. They're like vintage hotel stickers. I got them off Amazon. They were like $6 for 50 stickers, and I'm gonna stick a few of these on my suitcase to try to differentiate mine from other people's bags. All right, so that is the carry-on bag I will be taking with me on the MSC Preziosa. We leave out of Hamburg, Germany, and then we sail to Amsterdam, Belgium, London, and Paris. I'm super excited. Now let's just hope that I can get all of my stuff in that bag. Fingers crossed that I can do it. I'll probably do a pack with me video when I start packing for our trip in a couple of weeks. And if you want to subscribe, maybe stick around and see those videos, see the video of our cruise. That would be great. I would really appreciate it. And I really appreciate you guys hanging out with me today and coming on my shopping trip to find a carry-on. So other than that, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.